Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ibilola Cole. If you're new here, you're very welcome, and if this is your first time, thank you for stopping by. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my authentic buka stew. This is an updated version. As you can see, I have the amazing assorted meat. I have everything you need in your buka stew. This recipe is super easy. It's so delicious. I know I have a buka stew recipe already on my channel, but this is a part 2. Trust me guys, you would love this one. If you're interested, please keep on watching.
Daisies keep on getting much darker, even when I'm down in the lower. I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, maybe just a better kind of bitter. Lose gravity.
Okay guys, so for my buka stew, I always use more tatashe. This is also known as red bell pepper. I usually use more of this rather than tomatoes. I still use tomatoes, but I use the canned tomatoes, and you guys will see that later in this video. So you want to blend your red bell pepper, your Scotch bonnet pepper, also you can use habanero pepper, and your onions. You're gonna blend this all together in a blender till it's smooth, and then you're just going to boil it. This is the tomato sauce that I'm going to use. If you're familiar with my channel, you would know that I use a lot of canned tomatoes. I'm also going to be using dried pepper. This pepper was super spicy. I just wanted a little bit of more spice. I'm going to be using onions and ginger and garlic. I absolutely love onions guys, and I'm going to be using a lot of onions for this recipe. So like I said, you're going to blend this all together till it's very smooth. After blending everything together, you want to pour it in a pot. I'm also going to put the 1 canned tomatoes that I showed you guys, and that's all I would be using. Mix it together and just let this cook for a while, for about 25 minutes. When you're making your buka stew guys, you want to make sure that that sour taste is totally gone. If you know what I mean, then you would achieve the most delicious sauce ever. Make sure that the sour taste is totally gone, and that's what I'm saying. Cook for about 25 minutes. Let the water dry up a bit, and then you're good. Then you can start doing another, cooking, and you would understand what I'm saying. But make sure guys, make sure that this smell and the sour taste is completely gone.
Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. Sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Daisies keep on getting much darker, even when I'm down in the lower. I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, maybe just a better kind of bitter.
After 25 minutes, you want to put another pot on fire. In this pot, you can use palm oil or regular vegetable oil. For my own personal buka sauce guys, I love using both. So I use palm oil and I also use vegetable oil, and I just fry onions in this oil. Make sure you saute it so that the smell of the onion can really be infused in the oil. Guys, you definitely need lots and lots of oil for this sauce. You can save it out or take it out when you're done, but you want to make sure that you're frying your sauce and you're cooking it at the same time, if you know what I mean. So I'm just adding all of my ingredients. I used some curry powder, some onion powder, from some chicken seasoning, some stock, and yeah guys, like I would always put all of the the seasonings that I use for the sauce in the description box below with accurate measurements. Make sure you check it out. But I basically just put the basic seasoning. Guys, to achieve this sauce is the preparation, it's the method of cooking, not necessarily the seasoning that you put. You have to follow these steps to achieve this. Do not skip. Don't say you're too tired, guys. After pouring all your seasoning and boiling your sauce for about 15 minutes, it's time to put your meat. You want to make sure that you put your meat when your sauce is partially ready, because you don't want it to be too soft. We're not frying this meat, so it's already cooked. I made sure that my meat wasn't cooked thoroughly just so it can cook in the sauce. Guys, you want your meat to soak up all of this deliciousness, and that's how you can really enjoy it when you take a bite. Like you're literally tasting the juice. Alright guys, so I put my meat. I'm just mixing it gently so it doesn't spill. Make sure you taste for salt or seasoning. If it's not enough, you can add more. And guys, that's basically it, guys. You're gonna let this cook for another 10 minutes and your buka stew is ready. Like, look at this deliciousness. Like, look at this amazing sauce. Just comment down below what you be eating this sauce with when you make it. I love how versatile this sauce is. The fact that you can just make this and eat it with plantain, you can eat it with pounded yam and okra or ewedu or white rice. Oh my god, this sauce bangs with white rice and plantain. It's absolutely delicious, guys. I ate this with eba on this particular day, but trust me, I ate it with all sorts, like different kinds of things, guys. I even had this with agege bread, like hot agege bread. Guys, clap for me. I did cook. Look at how lush. Look at how lush. Let's have a moment of silence for how lush this sauce is looking right now, guys. This was so good. Make sure you like this video if you enjoyed it. Make sure you share it with your friends. Don't hoard it. I know it's worth hoarding, but do not hoard this video. Make sure you share it, like, and guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? You know what? Let me hold up. Let me keep quiet while you subscribe, okay? TikTok. Alright guys, subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out, especially if you like what I do. Just subscribe already. Like, share, and subscribe to this video if you enjoy it. Like I said, guys, I had this with luscious eba and ewedu, and it banged. It was amazing. It was delicious. Alright guys, let me let you just look at this and just get your mouth watering while I keep quiet. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye bye.